Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha children. See, this is 10th standard state board exercise 3.12. See the fifth sum. A pole has to erected at a point on the boundary of a circular ground. Boundary of a circular ground. Okay. Of diameter 20 meter. This is the diameter 20 meter. I can make it as a center point as O. This is 10 meter and this is 10 meter, a boundary 20 meter. So this is P and I can mark it as this is Q. In such a way, difference of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed gates. These two gates are fixed and erect position. I can mark it as erect position. Erect position in such a way, I can take this point as A. So this value is X. Erect position means it should be in 90 degree. Okay. See here 10 meter and 10 meter opposite fixed gates P and Q on the boundary is difference is 4 meter. Is it possible to do so? Is it possible? First you will write everything. See, let A be the point. Let A be the point. Let A be the point. What I am taking for A? Let A be the point where the pole is erected. Let A be the point where the pole is erected. Where the pole. See, the pole is erected. It is nothing but a straight. Okay. Where the pole is erected. What is the next one? What is the next one? P and Q. P and Q are the distance diameter. P and Q are the 2 points. P and this is the first one and this is the second one. P and Q are the 2 points. P and Q are the 2 points. They are telling about the 2 points. See, opposite diametrically opposite fixed gate. The 2 points are opposite fixed gate. 2 points opposite fixed gate. So 2 points diametrically. The 2 points are diametrically opposite. The 2 points are diametrically opposite. So the total length of the PQ is 20. PQ equal to 20 meter. What is the length of PO? PO equal to 10 meter and PO, see here, PO equal to OQ equal to 10 meter. Okay, the difference between, see here, the difference between PA, 2 gates. This is one gate, this is another gate. The difference between the 2 gates and the erect position is, so PA and QA, the difference between the value is 4 meter. See here, 4 meter. P and Q on the boundary is 4 meter. That is the difference of its distance from the 2 diametrically opposite fixed gate. Okay, this is opposite fixed gate from the erect pole. So the difference between the PA and QA is difference is what? 4 meter. See, PA minus QA equal to, the difference they have given as 4 meter, PA equal to X, PA equal to X and QA equal to 4 minus X. X minus 4 become 4 minus X. See here, PA equal to X means X minus QA equal to 4 minus QA equal to 4 minus X. 4 minus X, see here, X minus 4. So minus you can cancel, QA equal to X minus 4. So PA equal to X and QA equal to X minus 4. It is a right angle triangle. You can use it as a Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? See here, PQ square equal to PQ square equal to PA square, PQ square equal to PA square plus QA square. PQ square equal to PA square plus QA square. PQ square equal to what? 20 square. PQ square equal to 20 square. PA is nothing but what? X. X square plus QA is nothing but what? X minus 4. X minus 4 the whole square. Okay. See here. 400 equal to x square plus x square minus a minus b the whole square formula minus 8x plus 16. So 400 equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 16. 2x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 400 equal to 0. Minus 400 equal to 0. 2x square minus 8x. See here, 2x square minus 8x, 16 minus 400. It is nothing but what? Minus 384 equal to 0. Divided by 2, what is the value we are getting? See, divided by 2, what is the value we are getting? X square minus 4x minus 192 equal to 0. Minus 192 equal to 0. Sum equal to minus 4. Product equal to minus 192. Sum equal to minus 4. Product equal to 192. Minus 192. 192. See, minus 192. 1612 sir. Minus 192. 1612 sir. 16, see, minus 4. Minus 16 plus 12. So you will write it here. X minus 16. X minus 16. X plus 12 equal to 0. X minus 16 equal to 0, x equal to 16, x equal to 16, x plus 12 equal to 0, x equal to minus 12. So, x value PA equal to x equal to 16, QA equal to what is the value of QA? QA equal to x minus 4, QA equal to x minus 4, that is 16 minus 4 equal to 12 meter. So, it is possible. It is possible. It is possible to fix the point 16 meter and 12 meter. See. Sixth sum, from a group of 2x square black bees. Have you seen the bees? Yeah, it is in a garden. Okay. 2x square black bees, square root of half of the group went to a tree. Square root of half of the group went to a tree. Again, it is in a beehive. Okay. See here, it is again 8 by 9th of the bees went to a same tree. The remaining 2 got caught up in a fragrance of lotus. Most of the time the bees spend with the lotus because of the fragrance. Okay. How many bees were there in total? Total number of bees they are asking. Okay. See here, you don't know about the number of bees. So, you can take it as total bees they are given as total bees equal to 2x square. Total bees equal to 2x square. What is the next one? Square root of half of the group. Square root of half of the group. Half of the group. What is that meaning? See, square root of half of the group. This is the total number of bees. Half of the group. Half of the group means what? 2x square by 2. Half of the group. So, 2 get cancelled. What is the remaining value? 2. Okay. Next, 8 by 9th of the bees. What is the next one? They split up the bees into 3 parts. 8 by 9th of the bees. See, 2 get cancelled. What is the square root of x square? X. Okay, what is the next they have given? Again 8 by 9th of the bees went to the same tree. 8 by 9th of the bees. 8 by 9th of the bees equal to, see, 8 by 9 into what is the bees? 2x square. 2x square, it gives what? 16 by 9 x square. Remaining bees, two of them attracted by what? Fragrance of lotus. Okay, so remaining bees, what is the remaining bees? 2 bees. They were in the lotus, remaining bees. How you framed the equation? See here, total number of bees is 2x square. That 2x square, sum of them, square root of the sum of them went to the next tree. Then some of them remaining back to the tree. What is the next tree? Remaining 2 of them went to the lotus, fragrance of the lotus. They were attracted by the fragrance of the lotus. See here, 2x square, total number of bees. This is the square root of the bees, and this is 8 by 9th of the total bee. And the 2 bees went to the fragrance of the lotus. See here, 2x square minus x minus 16x square by 9 equal to 2. Okay, you can take the LCM. 18x square minus 9x minus 16x square by 9 equal to 2. 18x square minus 16x square is nothing but what? 2x square. 2x square minus 9x. It will move on to this side. What is the value you are getting? It gives 18. 2x square minus 9x minus 18 equal to 0. What is the sum? Sum equal to minus 9. What is the product? Product equal to minus 36. So minus 36. You write down all the possible values, but you have to take only the required value here. 12 3s are 36. See, minus 9. Minus 9 means minus 12 plus 3. Minus 12 plus 3. But here coefficient is there. So, you can put by 2 by 2. So, see here, x minus 12 by 2 into x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. You cancel, what is the value you are getting? X minus 6 into x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So, x value, x equal to 6, x equal to minus 3 by 2. The b cannot be negative. The b cannot be negative. So, you can take it as x equal to 6. X equal to 6, minus 3 by 2 not possible, minus 3 by 2 not possible. Total bees, see here, total bees equal to 2 into x square, that is 6 square. X value you can take it as 6, 2 into x square is 6 square, 2 into 36. 6 square value is 36. It gives 72. So, total number of bees is what? 72. Total bees is 72.